Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope that your summer is off to a great start and you're enjoying this session of Summer of Reading Crafts. So today I'm working on a series of DIY bookmarks. The style number one is inspired by some Black Girl Magic bookmarks that I saw on Pinterest and in the internet, and I thought they were really cool, and so I figured I could do a DIY version for a lot less. So for this project, I'm using some stickers that I had in my stash that I got from Michaels, and they are the Capital Chic designs, and it's a really beautiful line that really focuses on Black women and women of color stickers. And of course, you could probably do this project with images that you found off the internet, but I really like these stickers, and since I already had them, I just decided to go ahead and use them. So I took these stickers, a handful of these stickers, and I went down to Kinkos to have them laminated. And after that, I'm just pretty much going to cut the lamination, cut the shapes out, and that's pretty much it. This is the DIY version, no circuit needed, Black Girl bookmarks that you can make for yourself for less than a fraction of the price. For style number two, I'm going to be making some African print bookmarks using Anaqua fabric. And for this project, I am using a thicker cardboard paper. Now I got this paper from Michaels in their paper section, and they had two different types. One was already like 8.5 by 11, but it was really flimsy. And then they had like the 12 by 12 inch, which was thicker. And I want it to be a more sturdy piece. So I bought both pieces, and I'm going to cut the thicker square down to the 8.5 by 11 size. And then I'm going to mark that paper into 2-inch sections because I want the bookmarks to be 2 inches wide a piece. And then I'm going to section that out and cut the cardboard into the shapes of the bookmarks. I will say, although I chose to use cardboard paper from Michaels, if you have additional cardboard paper around, like from packages, a shoebox, cereal box, you can use that as well. Just make sure that the paper that you use for this is very sturdy. So now that I have my cardboard pieces cut out in the shapes of the bookmarks, I'm going to be using a combination between the Tacky glue and Mod Podge. And I really like the Tacky glue. It's kind of thick, and I wanted to dilute it a small bit, but I didn't want it to be runny because I like how thick the Tacky glue is. And like I mentioned before in previous videos, I really like Tacky glue because it doesn't bleed through the fabric. And since I'm using fabric, I didn't want to have fabric stain or marks in it. So I'm going to be using a sponge brush to apply the glue mixture to the cardboard, and then putting the fabric onto the bookmark. So here you have it. Here are just 3 different styles of the Anacro fabric that I use to make different bookmarks. I would like to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you found this video inspirational and something that you find easy to do, and it helps you with your summer reading. If you enjoy what you've seen, please be sure to subscribe if you want to see more content from me, and you're feel free to leave a comment and share. See you guys next time.